Hi, my name is Trisha Vogue, and I have been a third grade teacher in the Olathe Public Schools for the past several years. This year I've taken off to spend time with family and finish up my master's. So that's what I'm doing this year. So the website that I chose to do was elementary. It ends in an I, not a Y. So go ahead and search that in like Chrome or whatever. I chose this because I felt that it really hit blooms in the create. It's like producing new work, and designing. It fit with SAMR because it's in the higher level with transformation, redefinition, using technology to create new ideas and tasks. This is a writing app or a website that helps students like create interactive stories. So anyway, here is the site. It's .io. That's the one that you want. So you click on that. So this is a great way to create different stories that students would use in your classroom, like personal narratives, things like that. And there's a great video here. We don't have time to watch it, but I highly recommend that you do that. So let's just go ahead and get started and we can talk about it. You would hit sign up here, create your own account, fill that out. I've already done it, but I wanted to show you this for the student account piece. You will be given a class code. This is where students would go ahead and log on with their student account and get into this with their class code. So you go over to log in if you've already created one. So I have done that. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. This is a free website. Tons of fun and exciting things that students can use and do. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is create your first class. If you've used Prodigy, Epic, any kind of website that has a class on it, you've done this before. So create your first class. I did this already. So you would just hit create class. It's going to give you a class code right here. That's what's important that students will use to log into your account. So say I want to go ahead and start to write. So I'm going to click up here on the right. And I want to create a new story. So I'm going to click on that. So students can use this in a variety of different ways, like personal narratives. I had my students create a comic strip last year, and so by doing that, this would be a great tool to go ahead and have them create it and share it, and gets those juices flowing in their brains. It's very engaging. So, okay, it's very user-friendly. So you're going to click Add Title. This is the title page. Last year, I had students write a personal narrative on Alexander and the terrible, horrible, no good, very bad day, but I had them do it their most amazing day. So Miss Vogue's amazing day. Okay, just create something, whatever that you would want to do. So that's the title of it. I'm going to click over here to this blank space. In this blank space, you can add so much text, images, background, sounds, animations. You can make the characters move in this, which makes it really fun and engaging for students. So let's just click on backgrounds. They have some pictures for you to add to it. Say you want to add pictures to it. Or you just want a color, so I'm just going to pick a color. It's really easy to search up here also if you want to search different things. So I'm going to click down to images, and I absolutely love to cook, and so my most amazing day would be to cook. So I'm just going to pick this piece of cake and pick it and kind of drop it in, and you can move it around, make it smaller or bigger. You could add sounds, different things. Let's go ahead and add a sound. Say I just want to record the title of the story. So I'm going to record a voiceover. So I'm going to click that. And then you just click right here on the spot. It's really easy to use. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. Miss Vogue's Amazing Day by Miss Vogue. Click on it again when you're done. You can listen to it. Okay, say I like that or I didn't like it, whatever. Type title, hit save, and I've created the first page or the title page. When I'm ready to go on to the next piece of the personal narrative, say that's what I'm creating, I click on page, the plus page. Say I want to look for images and say, hey, they don't have any what I want to talk about. I want to talk about pancakes. So I'm going to just go ahead and type that in. Oh, look, there's a picture of one. So I just click and drag and drop it in here. And then it's really huge. So I'm just going to kind of make him a little bit shorter. Say I want to add some text to this. So I would go over to the text box. They have tons of different types. You could put this in here. This would have been great when I used my comic strip story, so definitely going to be using that. And then you would just type in your text there. If you want to add some sounds, you can pick horror mystery. That would fit with pancakes. Sure, why not? You can listen to it. Add it to the page, and it's done. When you're ready to publish, you would just click publish. There's the title, description, genre, save it, publish your story, and you're good to go, and the kids could share it. I hope if you've enjoyed this like I did. I thought it was a great tool.